Hi dear, welcome to EEA Spoken English Prediction. Today we have lesson number 3, book number 1, EA English Phonics. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bakhair Ragli. Today we are going to do AD at words family. Before we have been doing at family, but today we are going to do at family. So let's get started. मेरे साथ पढ़िएगा. AD family. Lesson number 3. D-A-D, dad. H-A-D, hat. M-A-D, mat. B-A-D, bat. S-A-D, sat. F-A-D, fat. Repeat again. Dad, hat, mat, bat, sat, fat. Now पहले आप पढ़िएगा फिर मैं पढ़ूँगा. D-A-D, dad. H-A-D, hat. M-A-D, mat. B-A-D, bat. S-A-D, sat. F-A-D, fat. Shabash. Note, the word bat will be in the beginner's book too, because the letter B is a difficult letter and the beginner book too addresses the problem. Let's talk about having practice with the word hat. When I was a baby, I had a yellow duck. I had a yellow duck. When I was 2, I had a red truck. When I was 2, I had a red truck. Repeat again. When I was a baby, I had a yellow duck. When I was 2, I had a red truck. Shabash. When I was 3, I had a chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Look at him. He looks like me. When I was 3, I had a chimpanzee. Look at him. He looks like me. I had to brush my hair and I had to brush my teeth. Then I had to put the socks and shoes on my feet. I had to brush my hair. मुझे मेरे बालों को कंघी करना है. And I had to brush my teeth. मुझे ब्रश करना है. Then I had to put the socks and shoes on my feet. और फिर मुझे जूते और जुराबें पहननी हैं पाँव में. Then I had to put a hat. फिर मुझे hat पहननी है. On the top of my head, मेरे सर पे. Is this what you wear? क्या आप भी यही पहनते हैं? When you go to bed, जब आप सोने लगते हैं. Repeat again. Then I had to put a hat on the top of my head. Then I had to put a hat on the top of my head. Is this what you wear when you go to bed? My dad said I could try his shoes. I could try his shoes. His dad's shoes fit me mine. His dad's shoes fit me fine. My dad said I could try his shoes. His dad's shoes fit me fine. But I would like to see my dad. Try to walk in mine. Try to walk in mine. I sat down to sing a song. I sat down to sing a song. It was sad. Sad song. It was a sad song. And the sad song was too long. And the sad song was too long. आज के सबक में हमने पढ़ा add family, sad, dad, fat, lad, had, bad। तो बच्चों ये था तीसरा सबक। अब इसी किताब का आखिरी सबक आपको नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में शाया कर दिया जाएगा। So that's all for now. Thanks for being with EA.